Prepare to be amazed by the incredible ways your body can overcome the impossible. From surviving extreme altitudes like the Himalayan Sherpas to miraculous recoveries in freezing water and the constant renewal of your skeleton, the human body is a masterpiece of resilience and adaptation. Dive into real-life stories of survival and discover lessons in strength, determination, and the wonders of nature. Hit the like button, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening content about the marvels of the human body. Your body is an engineering marvel, a machine so advanced it can survive in the harshest environments, bounce back from the brink of death, and even rebuild itself without you noticing. Today, we're exploring unbelievable ways the human body defies the odds. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a newfound appreciation for the miracle that is you. Let's begin at the top of the world, literally. Imagine living and working at altitudes where most of us would struggle to catch our breath. That's daily life for the Sherpas of the Himalayas. At altitudes above 14,000 feet, oxygen levels are about half of what they are at sea level. Most of us would experience altitude sickness, but Sherpas have adapted over generations to thrive in this thin air. Here's how their bodies produce higher levels of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen. They also have more capillaries, ensuring oxygen-rich blood reaches every part of their body. But it's not just about physical adaptations. Their culture teaches them to pace themselves, conserve energy, and respect the mountains, lessons we can all learn about balancing effort and recovery in our own lives. And here's a fun fact: studies show Sherpas' mitochondria are more efficient at producing energy. It's like their cells are equipped with turbocharged batteries, making them natural-born high-altitude champions. Now, let's head to the opposite extreme: freezing water. Falling into icy water usually spells disaster, but sometimes the human body pulls off a miraculous save. It's called the diving reflex, and it's something we share with marine mammals like seals. When your face is submerged in cold water, your heart rate slows, blood vessels constrict, and oxygen is prioritized for your brain and heart. Take Anna Bagenholm, a Swedish doctor who fell into a frozen stream and was trapped under ice for over an hour. Her core temperature plummeted to 56.7 degrees Fahrenheit, a record low for human survival. Her body entered a state of suspended animation, protecting her organs until rescuers could revive her. Today, she's alive and well thanks to this incredible survival mechanism. Scientists are studying this reflex to improve emergency medicine. Could harnessing this ability help save lives in heart attacks or strokes? The possibilities are as fascinating as they are hopeful. Did you know that your skeleton is like a living construction site? Over the course of your life, your entire skeleton is replaced about every 10 years. This ongoing process, called bone remodeling, ensures your bones stay strong and healthy. Here's how it works. Special cells called osteoclasts break down old bone tissue, while osteoblasts build new bone. It's a delicate balance, and your lifestyle plays a big role. Regular exercise, a diet rich in calcium and vitamin D, and avoiding smoking all help this process. But this system isn't just about keeping you upright, it's also a survival mechanism. If you break a bone, your body immediately kicks into high gear, forming a blood clot, creating a cartilage bridge, and eventually restoring the bone's original strength. So the next time you marvel at how a broken arm heals, give credit to your body's incredible self-repair system. The human body's resilience shines brightest in the face of adversity. Consider the story of Julianne Koki, who survived a plane crash and fell 10,000 feet into the Amazon rainforest. Injured and alone, she navigated the jungle for 11 days until she was rescued. Or the story of the Chilean miners trapped underground for 69 days. Beyond their mental strength, their bodies adapted to conserve energy, cope with stress, and endure starvation. These stories remind us that even in the darkest moments, the human body and spirit can find a way to survive. But survival isn't just about dramatic stories. Every day, people recover from illnesses, rebuild their strength after injuries, and overcome personal challenges. Your body is always working behind the scenes, adapting and persevering, even when you don't realize it. The human body is a masterpiece designed not just to survive, but to thrive. Whether you're facing life's toughest challenges or simply pushing through a tough day, remember this: your body is built for resilience. So take care of it, fuel it well, move it often, and trust in its ability to adapt and overcome. And when you feel like giving up, think about the Sherpas, the survivors of freezing waters, and even your ever-renewing skeleton. You're capable of more than you know? If you found this inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with someone who could use a reminder of their inner strength, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories and science-backed insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.